welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how to make clay cracking. So before we get started, I would like to introduce my friend who's going to be helping me in this video.
Hi!
Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so to start off, you need your clays, and so I'm going to be making an orange.
And I think I'm going to be making some sort of strawberry or a banana.
Perfect. So start off by opening your clays.
Which mine have already been opened, so I'm just going to take mine out of the Ziploc bags. Oh, they're so satisfying.
This is the type of clay we got on Amazon. You can get 50 of them for $10, which is a pretty reasonable deal. You just need any kind of clay like this, and it should work.
Okay. Now I'm moving on to my yellow.
Okay, so now that we have all of our clays laid out, we're going to take the colors that we need. I'm going to take a little bit of green. Set the rest of it aside.
I'm going to take some yellow probably.
And then I'm going to take some orange. And I'm not going to be using the whole thing because we're going to do a couple of these.
I think I'm going to make a miniature banana.
Okay, now once you've got your clay, you're going to start to make your items that you chose.
Kind of like shape it however you want and stuff.
Okay, so now I have my orange shape, and at this time you can add like little details.
Mine kind of looks like a moon.
And then once you do that, just add the finishing touches. Since mine is an orange, I'm adding a little stem. Oh, it looks like a pumpkin. Well, that's okay too.
I think I'm going to add a little
Okay,
top
well now I have a pumpkin.
to my banana. Even though it's green, it kind of still looks cute, but yeah, kind of like that.
Perfect.
There's my banana.
Okay, we're going to finish making the rest of ours, and then we'll move on to the next step. So now we finished our things. They look kind of bad, but anyways, now you need to take clear nail polish and paint the outside of them.
You can do like as many coats as you want. The more harder the crack, sort of.
Yeah. I'm just doing one coat for now, and then I'll do a couple others. And then you wait till your nail polish is dried, and then that's it. We're just finishing up here, applying the last coats of nail polish to, oh, there's a little bit of clay on there, to our clay cracking and things, our clay cracking things, and then we will start cracking them.
Yep.
Okay, so we tried little tester ones and they didn't work, so we decided we need some more coats of paint, and we probably need to let ours set longer. Sometimes you have to let them set overnight, so that could be the reason also.
I can't get it off my finger.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, please remember to hit the subscribe button,
And
push the like, and comment down below. Thank you. I also apologize, the lighting is not as great today. We were having to do it in another workspace. Do it in another workspace because
it's raining outside and like everywhere else.
And the lighting was also bad by the window, so yeah. So we already cracked one of them just to make sure it worked, and it did. So that's exciting.
Yes.
But yeah, so now we're going to go ahead. These have dried for 24 hours, and so we're going to crack them. that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And if you did, please remember to subscribe,
like,
and comment down below. See you in the next one.
bye.
Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to make clay cracking and how to do it in another word. Okay,
Stop
no,
it,
okay.
stop. Wait,
We
no,
had
no.